dance itself is an expression of yourself.
It's a 15 days workshop. The kids are going to learn from nothing to something new and something great. They are learning themselves. We are just giving some inputs to them. So it's like the blank paper, and we are adding the colors into it. Here, our kids are colors, and this blank paper is our school.
When I joined the workshop, at first I thought it was going to be boring with all the dance, etc. But now that they taught us so nicely, I started to enjoy it a lot.
Actually came up with an idea saying how to draw energy. So that was the basic idea of this whole workshop.
If you grab energy from your surroundings, how you do? Somebody says like this. Okay, if you give some movement for them, what you do, and then they'll come up with different movements.
It's a very important procedure a child has to go through because it creates a lot of responsibility, discipline, and individualistic thinking in themselves.
We got to learn new steps, new ideas.
We are giving them certain patterns through their own daily doing things. So movement or walk or anything, we are trying to make them understand the choreographical patterns, which they will understand in a later stage. Now they are just thinking that it's just a walk, but actually we are making them understand a choreographical pattern.
It was really fun. This is really different from other workshops. Before we didn't perform like this. This time we are implementing our own steps, and I feel it's wonderful. I feel like I've got the freedom to dance now.
When they're given a poems like how beautiful this water droplet, what river does, and what all rivers to combine what it does to you. And they could actually understand a poem. They did their own study on that poem and they enacted on themselves, and they actually choreographed dances. It's such a surprise for us because we didn't know that such a huge subject can be really understood and handled by them in a very easy way.
This is up stage. Okay. This is right side, left side, this is front, this is back.
Like how you enter from a stage, how you walk through and how you exit. That is basically known as, technically it is known as a choreographical pattern. But through their own exploration, they will understand that they have learned this.
You're going to get for each person 2 meters close. 2 meters close. Within 2 meters, what do you want to do? It should be decided among the group, and all of you have to wear the same.
We want to bring in their perception of seeing things because, for example, if we are talking about a princess, I might perceive it in a different way, you might see it in a different way. But we wanted to bring in what according to them is a princess. So that is the basic idea of putting them in the costume section as well as the set design and everything.
Workshop is different, and I like the way they are making us ready for the annual day. Before we used to do it like they used to tell us and we have to do that. We can't do whatever wish like. This time it's like we have to create our own things and then show it on the stage.
every child of the school is going to get into different activities. So those who are not participating in dance would be assisting for the costume part, and then the set design, and then animation. So we are including the whole school for this production, and it is their production, not that our production. We are not teaching them something. They are coming with their ideas and then they are doing it in their own.
They were not even scared about the system. They said, okay, ma'am, we'll do it. And I said, whatever you're choreographing is going to be as a big show. They said, it's okay, ma'am. And that's all I wanted. You know, that's the biggest annual day function for me. Anyone or any parent could see and be happy at.